Hello everyone. In this video we will see file reading line by line. So let's create one file and I'll say notepad, and in this file we can write few lines. This is Java 8 session. Welcome, learn Java with Chandan. Hi, how are you? Suppose if we have these lines written, just save this file to desktop, and I'll say file name is my file dot txt. This is file that we have saved in desktop. Let's do one thing. Let's copy the file location. So I'll say property. From here I'll just copy the file and let's write code. So in Java 8 I'll show how it is easy to write file. So first what we will do, we'll add here a string path equal to, and then here we will paste our path my file dot txt. This is our file path, and then we will use files dot read all lines, and then here you have to pass path. So basically I'll do path, and so basically paths dot get, and here you have to pass the path that we have created one string. So paths dot get, and then pass the string of your location, and then it will return. It is saying throw, so we can throw or surround with try catch block. So I'll just do it try catch block, and then let's see what type of data it returns. It returns list of a string. So I'll just copy and paste here. So I'll say this is our data equal to this, control shift O to import this file. So now we have all data available. In this data, what I will do, I will write maybe for loop, and then we'll try to iterate it. So I'll say data D, and then sys out D. So we can simply print this data, save it, and then see if it's working or not. You can see we get all the data from the files, and to read all files line by line we can use files dot read lines, read all lines, and then we have to pass here paths dot get, and these things is available in Java 8, so you can use this for your file reading purpose. Thank you so much for watching the video.